The Barclays are a proud and noble Scottish clan with a rich history dating back to the Norman conquest of England. The family name is derived from the Anglo-Saxon bow meaning beautiful and lea meaning meadow or field. They settled in several locations in Scotland including Aberdeenshire and Kincardineshire. In 1153, the Earls of Barclay built Barclay Castle in Gloucestershire, England, which later became infamous for the murder of Edward II. Some of the Barclays also settled in Scotland, and Lord Roger de Burchley and his son John were believed to have come to Scotland in the retinue of Margaret, sister of the Saxon Edgar the Atheling, when she married Malcolm III. The Barclays quickly established themselves as influential members of society, holding important lands, offices, and alliances. Sir Walter de Burchley was Chamberlain of Scotland in 1165, and Sir David Barclay was a close associate of Robert the Bruce and fought in several of his battles. A branch of the family was established at Uri near Stonehaven in Kincardineshire in the 17th century, where the first laird of Uri, Colonel David Barclay, became a professional soldier, fought for the king during the Civil War, and later converted to the Society of Friends, Quakers. The second laird of Uri, Robert Barclay, was also a Quaker and wrote the An Apology for the True Christian Divinity in 1675. Despite being persecuted, Barclay received great respect, even from the royal court, and was granted a charter to establish a free barony in 1679. He also corresponded with Princess Elizabeth and was appointed governor of East Jersey in America in 1682. The Barclays had close shipping and trading ties with Scandinavia, and the lands around the Baltic, and were involved in the silk trade. In 1621, Sir Patrick Barclay signed a letter of safe conduct in favour of his merchant cousins who wished to settle in Rostock in Livonia. From this branch of the family descended Field Marshal Michael Andreas Barclay de Tolly, who became Minister of War in Russia, and was created a prince by the Tsar. The Barclay family also has a long history in banking, starting with David Barclay of Cheapside who founded Barclays Bank in the 17th century. The Barclays have a rich and proud heritage of warriors, traders and bankers, and their legacy continues to be honoured and remembered today. Their contributions to society and history will never be forgotten, and they will always be remembered as a proud and noble Scottish clan.